Hey YouTube, feeling Florence. You remember a while back when I won a giveaway? I finally found that bear butt rub that I won, and here it is. Today we're gonna do a Boston butt, but we're not doing pulled pork. I decided to do something a little different, something that we used to do a lot years ago. I used to put a Boston butt on, and we would just bake it or roast it and slice it. That's kind of what I got in store today. I'm gonna cook this butt low and slow till it's done, and then we're gonna take it off and slice it and have it with some scalloped potatoes and asparagus she's making for sides. So stay tuned for bear butt rub Boston butt. Compliments of Big Lou Barbecue. You go check out Big Lou. He'll show you what it's all about in South Louisiana, Cajun style. Stay tuned. Get that butt ready. Okay guys, what we have here is one Boston butt, bone in. We'll put a little bit of olive oil on it up front here, just like we normally would, but it's gonna be different. I'm not gonna take the fat cap off. We're just gonna let that stay on there. And we're going to cook this Boston butt and do it like a pork roast. And we're going to slice it at the end. Okay, what we're going to do now is just salt and pepper, put a little granulated garlic, just salt it down real good, and it's going to cook. Fat cap up. Okay. Alright, then we're going to go with this bear butt rub. And it's got, looking at the ingredients, it says ingredients: dehydrated sage, salt, red pepper, brown sugar, and spices. That's about it. And if you smell it, it smells real savory. So this sort of complements this pork roast real nice. Alright, we got that all seasoned up. I'll meet you outside. Okay, we're up to 329 on our ThermoWorks over here. We're going to put her on. Can you see that? We're going fat cap up right in the middle. We'll get our meat probe here. Right there. And then, now we're at 52 minutes. We're running 256. For the first 45 minutes, it ran about 300. Alright, I'm going to spray it down a little bit with some apple juice. This is going to be a savory flavor, not going for the barbecue flavor. Also, we'll be taking this up at 170 instead of 190. We're not going for pulled pork, we're going for slicing roast pork. Okay, Jay Dallum and Christy, talk about my midday snack and my camp meat. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this rack here, put it in, go across the bottom, and lay it on top the ring. Now I got me a clean rack to work with. Put my burgers on. Yeah. All right. You want to see what it looks like? That's it. That's my midday snack on the way. All right. What I did was got a little sear on them, and I put them up on the top grate. I'm lighting up the rest of those charcoals in there. And I don't want that. That goes counterproductive to my slow cook to get a hot red bed of charcoal. So let me get this out of there. It served its purpose. Done. Oh, we're at the 3-hour, 10-minute mark in the cook. Let's try this. And beans. Yum. We're at the 5.5 hour mark. Gonna give it a little spritz of apple juice. It's been a little over 6 hours with 170 degrees internal meat temperature, and I'm gonna take it up. I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah, a little cooler. Actually fits perfect down in there. All right, here we go. We got us a pork butt, and we cooked it not for pulling pork, but for slicing. Let's see what we got here. Looks good, smells good. And what I'm laying it out on is a brand new cutting board made by my daughter's boyfriend. He's a big woodworker, builder, master carpenter, and he gave me that for Christmas. I wanted to show that off. Look at this, a big old 2.5 inch thick, 3 inch thick piece of hard rock maple. It's gonna put me a groove around. He didn't. The groove around to catch the juices. Might even engrave Phil in Florence or something in the corner. We'll see. I'll let you know how that turns out. All right, we still have the bone in, so I'm just gonna come down here in the middle and see what we got here. That looks good.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's just get us a. See if I can get a slice off this long, thick end. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Looks great.
I'm gonna cut one more slice. Thought I had my finger in the way, didn't you? No. I've learned my lesson on that. Okay, well, only one thing left to do, and you know what that is. I'm gonna cut me off a little piece and cut my camera lady off a little piece. All right, let's give it a try. Delicious. Woo! Very good. And I used bear's butt rub. Thank you, Big Lou. Yo, Mama, take a piece.
Great.
All right. As usual, we got to that place to where we're getting ready to plate up some food. And I'll show you my plate in a few minutes. Janet cooked us some asparagus and some scalloped potatoes and some Dixie Lee peas. So it's going to be good. Thanks for joining me on this cook. We had a good time today. Last weekend it was snow. This weekend it was clear. We had rain yesterday and last night, so we had a good day to cook. And so until next time, this is Phil in Florence. Bye-bye.